Nobody talks about how scary it is when your mom picks you up from school because you're sick. Like, I don't think I've ever seen my mom as mad as when this would happen because she never believed that I was actually not feeling good. She just thought I wanted to go home. So she would be like, you made me miss watching my TV shows because you have a cough. But what was funny is if I made any sort of noise on the drive home, she would be like, I don't want to hear sound out of you. If you're sick, you shouldn't be making noise. Then when we would actually get home, I had to give her my phone, my PlayStation, my TV, my kidney. She would always say if I was actually sick, I should just lay down the whole day and not do anything. One time I even farted on the way back from school and she asked why I did that if I was really sick. It's like being in prison when you go home sick. I love you though, Mom.